Hello friends, starting point. This is new topic in in this dynamic stereochemistry. So easy topic that's not tough in proper way to understand this topic. So easy, but practice and main this is topic in two and three terms in memorable. And this Stam are so easy, not tough. Are not understand. There's a comment now, and I am starting for a selective synthesis. This chemoselective. What is chemoselective? These are theory part in read now then and understand. Not understand that I am explain now. But first of all, this right is put so properly and stepwise and so easy. That's not understand that I am to explain. This is any compound. This compound or any compound and compound these compound are double bond to resonance as this carbonyl group, but this double bond not resonance, and these are more reactive because in double bond these are bond created than any other nucleophile attack so easily, but these compound are no resonance, no any another of effect. But this compound only for this carbon are to react. This carbon need this double bond to react. They are from this compound. But this compound is to attack this and this is strongly reducing agent that this is a attack, but this strong not, and this is just smooth. This is just slow in normal in this mechanism. Then understand so easy, but not understand mechanism so some of tough in that I am explained to mechanism, and this mechanism are to this mechanism to search then, and I I am talking this mechanism, not this mechanism. And this mechanism you are search now. That's you because this mechanism is so larger. That's I am and this mechanism O and H. First of all, Na is to divide Na plus OH minus OH minus to attack to hydrogen and to this hydrogen in this hydrogen to convert to water, and then last of all OH minus this are, and I this minus to attack this from, and then a double bond to shift this same, and this double bond to minus first of all and then this double bond to created this, and this bond are this, but a keto enol tautomerism then understand to not a keto from more stable than enol from, then try to this bond are minus to this, and then which is this my in double bond to uh, direct attack for this bond, and this bond are to eliminated. Uh, to understand that is smooth, not a mildly reducing agent. Then next uh, is chemoselective. Chemoselective to understand to this any of reacts compound to the reaction as any of the two different side. These are the reaction that's possible or exclusive given on the several conversion reaction product with the difference. empirical formula is called a chemoselective. And a reaction that's preferred to excited given several conservative constituent isomer is also chemoselective. A third this compound to talking now. And this compound 5, then this compound and 3 alkenes, they are same molecule and is rest, just one are not the others chemoselectivity. This compound to talking now. This compound are same, but these are different. Then next page regioselectivity. Regioselectivity, first of all, to read now that's to understand, not understand that I am explain this topic. Regioselectivity usually across the an unsymmetrical electrophilic attack on unsymmetrical alkene. A familiar example would be the action of bromine water and peroxide. And peroxide means these are peroxide, not these. Peroxide this alkane 4. This and peroxide alkane 4 aid to the intermediate bromide ion. Intermediate bromine, this ion talking now. Would the attack water molecule substance is 9. But this state of molecule to talk now. And the X approx by a one nucleophilicity at the least subsystem in 7. You are not understand. I am talking now this compound which are to explain so easy. Then this molecule are two reaction this side to attack reaction and this side to attack reaction. Which side to attack reaction in this talking now? Br is to reaction now this to attack from this side. This is peroxide water and to created a another molecule not same molecule. These are the molecule are same, but these are always in second step attack. We are in first step, but OMCBR OH first step attack. Then BR X2 BR2 we assume that's the second step attack. Then our compound two are same but attack in we are in first and OH in second. But O this reaction O first of all and B are in second. These compound are two same, but X in another chlorine, bromine, iodine, which are molecule, which are group to attach and compound, and these are explained. These are double bond which are more stable. HI attack from more 3 degree carbon and 2 more preferable than 2 degree because in 3 degree positive charge is more stable and then 2 degree and then 1 degree then positive first of all H and I are double bond attack for H and then I2 created minus charge O I minus then and I minus 2 first of all, these carbon are positives are more stable than I minus to attack this. Then is major product, but that's in minor product because in two are possible structure be and then more substituted and less substituted. These are another example which are more stable because these are 3 degree carbon and these are 2 degree carbon and two then this major product in 3 degree carbon a minor product in 2 degree carbon and same example another example to read now book that's in another example to watch now and understand and too easy. Is there's an zero selective. Zero selective means one compound to created in another two molecule, or but one molecule in more and second molecule in less. Then first of all, I am talking now this read now to understand to so easy, but not read now, not and understand this topic. And I am talking now this reaction. There's purpose in proof on exclusive given on of several conservative pseudoisomer is referred to as medium higher seroselective. Means there's a two compound, A compound and B compound. A and B compound created in C compound. C compound transferred to A and B compound created. A compound in more, B compound in less. But A compound and B compound, example that's a 95. 95 these are A compound, the 5 and B compound. In receiving mixture in means one compound are measured, which are compound, this compound are measured, but this we maximum compound which 90%, because in 5% or 5% receiving mixture, because in this is example this is means R compound and this is mean S compound, the S compound, this is the R compound. This R and S. This S compound 5% and R compound 95% and 5% to 5% receiving mixture and 90% तुम्हारा enantio pure mixture. Then is talking now. Modulate higher selective. Oh, when those a conjugative stereoisomer and diastereomer. One also take about the diastereoselective reaction diastereo. These are in enantiomer and enhancement Nastro 2, I am not talking that's a uh, this is collaboration stoicism or enhancio मारी कि the enhancio situation reaction or इसको enhancio topic be in this are enhancio topic because A and B two are another compound and mirror image not possible. A compound to rotate than B compound not. These are enantiomer. Diastereomer, these are R and S. R are in A R and S. S in the enantiomer. Any compound talking A, these are enantiomer. R and S. But R is is these are compound in diastereomer because two center are same but two center difference, and this type of example in diastereotopic but these R and S two are difference, then these are talking now these two compound in topic. Then same example, R and S. This is compound dash to topic because these are chiral center and these are chiral center and create a new chiral center this and create a new chiral center this. But this chiral center I assume to R. I not actually calculate this RS, but this chiral center I am assumed to S. Then Yes, and same type these fires enter in art and these are art. So art and art. Some of a time in that's talking now. Art is and R two diastereotopic compound. These are diastereotopic. And same another example now this initiative in D1 reaction in selective Then from the probably mostly be alkane. Same these are now two compound all are same, but these are attack is so in some of example these are a in higher knowledge than this example mechanism so easy you are understand, but in sometime that's this example so not understand that's not easy, not is that I'm not talking, but mechanism are not priority. These are mechanisms so easy, but these are not actually require this time. Thus, I am not talking this mechanism, but this alkyne cycloethanol, this with the less and less fast and five members ring. Same, these are same type of reaction. Not I am not talking this mechanism, but example you are important. So now then understand to first of all which are right now these is lines. Then and to understand this topic, this are I am talking now this which are important, which are reason, but mechanism you are understand that's why I reason and this reaction this product are uh, created, but not understand which are a reason these are product can create it. That's why not a mechanism, not understand, not in any type of you are so tough this reaction. OH, OAC and OH same type and another group. OH into this product uh, and OAC then this product. Why? Because OH2 created this molecule to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intra, nay, not intermolecular. This molecule hydrogen intra not I am talking, but that's I talking now hydrogen bonding this molecule to then to attack from same side, but these are not any another hydrogen bonding and to repel this group repel now then these group are attack in opposite side to this are understand this reaction to transfer in cyclohexane to understand so easily why these are molecule in backside attack. I am not exactly step by and step wise to explain that you are try to understand not you are comment now that's why I am talking next time to mechanism to explain step wise and the stereoselectivity and stereochemical quantity and the stereoselective reaction. Explain nucleus radius from diastereoselective. It is the radiation of the yield of two and more diastereomer from neutralization to so neutralization so means this X and Y and then saying you're talking now that you read now this are not understand that I am next class to explain to stepwise to comment now that's I am the quantity of the enantioselective reaction in numerical explain the so-called enantiomeric axis. Enantiomeric axis means the quantity of enantioselective. The quantity and enantiomer means this uh, one product in maximum quantity any RNAs. I am not talking that's one product in maximum quantity. That's in this enantiomer selective. Enantiomer means A and B. RNAs explain to is it true? Then RNAs to a enantiomer topic and R in more 99% and but S in 1%. That's a R 98% to enantiomer. This is called in enantiomer selective axis. It is the equal to yield the major enantiomeric minor thus yield minor enantiomeric in the product whose total yield in normalization to 100%. X2%, then you are read now that's you understand this topic and Specific. To specifics mean you are first of all let's say who is writing these lines and read now that's first of all and then I am not talking this why I explain this are too easily then first of all in read okay that's I am starting if in a pair of the analogy reaction matlab means this is a reaction which are different you are observe in all are same but this group and this group are two different but this group affect no and product to create it then I am talking now this reaction are to involved, but this reaction to affect not this carbon. And you I understand? And then this carbon and I am now these are to then and these two compound A and B two are selective because one center in same and another center and difference means these center are difference this now that's a two dash your topic to reaction means not dash to but one center is enantiotopic I am talking now this center in chiral, but another kind are chiral center are not observed. These are the two product two chiral center not observed any of this reaction. Then these are diastereotopic. Diastereotopic nonce means diastereotopic means in two center are present and one center are same, but these two center are different. Then these are enantiotopic, not diastereotopic. Then to created reaction then product in this two center. One center this and another center this. Then this center or this center. But this center we are to attach this center, this and chiral center. But these two compound are same this is center. Then I am assume this we are attached to R and R. But these methyl group to attach this center, one center are assumed, then another center is because are to axial and sorry, this center ways than that. Then these are diastereotopic. I am repeat now that's these are enantiomer to talking now, but you are not assume not a assume this is centered that's not a problem but this product diastereotopic this is the mains then you are writing into it now that you are understand studying material and conversion high selective into a fast product and stereoisomer since materials is converted highly selective into a diastomer. Then first of all, product in reaction is called stereopacific. Stereopacific means this are this compound and this compound not same. Then now next example and another example to read the book then you are understand E2 reaction in pseudo-Pacific. These products are anti-proliferant transition state with the less and pseudo-chemistry, stressing material, osteomer and geometric of the product. Same that's NaOH to reaction to converted jet, but same molecule to not same molecule. These are different molecule. To product E, then OHME. To calculate these are R because ME dash H base, but ME with H dash in S. I am not exactly to calculate which are these are R and these are S. These are and this is. But product into difference. Then in Z and then is E. Jet means pH and pH. More substitution group in same side than Z. More substitution group opposite side in E. Then these are mechanism and to another antidiaborane. These are mechanism. These are tons tons and these are C's and then product in and so different these are anti-vaccine bromide and anti-diabromides same these are reaction and to explain then and J to anti are and these are anti, these are seen. Then why are anti, why are seen? These are E and Z. Anti means opposite, means is type, but seen means same side, more substituent group. These are product, but anti in different side and 2 and Z and these are Z not these are E because in more substitute group in opposite side then another stereo convergent. Why are stereo convergent? I am talking now. This the compound is so tricky. There is not understand on this type of reaction to the end product. First of all, to read now this topic, it is the possible that the period of the analogous reaction, one static materials is converted highly diastereoselective, means these are all centered as difference. These are enantioselective, not diastereoselective, means these are two difference but created in one isomer. First of all, one stating material in conversion higher selective is one product, and diastema because these are a maximum chiral center. So to then R and S and R and R to calculate not I am talking now. First of all, then you are calculate these are another compound. These are compound are any of chiral center, chiral center to then any of chiral center because two are chiral center in same, but these are chiral center are different than these are diastereomer and diastereomer means diastereoselective. In then these are two are different then created in one major product. Then this isomer stretching material converted highly diastereoselective into the same product. This type the type can be called stereo conversion. You are understand that stereo conversion which are means next this is chirality, chiral center, center of chirality. You are first of all then a first video to watch now. That's here. So is the chirality. Chiral center means one center to different group. Different group. These are chiral center means to chiral center four and three into which are depend to which are compound which center to created chiral center. Then chirality in and the alene compound to not all carbon not play not present in plane. All carbons in group all group not present in plane. Then to maximum to difference. This is the axis. This plane then is a chirality. Two difference group are present, and in plane they are not uh, observed. This here COA's present. I am talking now. That's why you are first of all this chirality in first semester watching now. That's why so easy, but not watching. That's I am talking now. And these are weird. Rotation is possible. To this is type of rotation. Then these are rotation possible. To these are change easily. Then these are compound in COS in present, and then this is talking now. This chirality same type of a B2 and a to rotate than two in two center not two ligand B and B to exchange in rotation to exchange in are same and that's in B and B to exchange but then is substitution but axis of chirality means these are centered this and this and rotation to same type of the explanation but the chiral axis is the lines of the chiral molecule about which is shaped in fourth group is head in non-planar arrangement and result in a superimposable mirror image. That's your it now. These are too easy. But first of all, this is first semester to watch now this video that you are so easy. This chiral axis, axis of chirality, yeah, plane of chirality. Then read now. Then I'm talking now. Plane of chirality. These are center. Then two and then in these are all us difference and then these are centered to create a plane then in oxygen in divide these are these molecule are divided because these is to offer plane then and to plane of chirality the chiral plane is the plane of the possible discourse as the molecule so localize the placement of substance in that plane dash tube and perpendicular and plane of the symmetric. First of all, and read now that you are so easy to this topic. And helical chirality. Helical chirality means in the and any group rotation in this uh, clockwise to then P and rotation in anti-clockwise is to M. And then helical is and chiral as a non-superimposable on it is molecular mass. As helical plane consider the manufacturing axial chirality. These are several as this chiral axis. Then I am next topic uh, in non-stereogenic center. Then these are centered in non-stereogenic center. Why? This is the chiral stereogenic center, but why is talking now non-stereogenic center? But these center in non-stereogenic center because in not chiral center and two hydrogen and same then one hydrogen to remove your visualize then second of numbering C in COH one Me2 and hydrogen These are rotation Y. These are rotation in R. Then this hydrogen in vanish now. This hydrogen in vanish you are now. Then these hydrogen in vanish now. This hydrogen not calculate. That's why I'm talking now. This hydrogen you are vanish. This hydrogen you are vanish. Then this hydrogen to who calculated this any of this. I am not talking this a but a one, two, three. These are art. Why are not art? But these carbon in Venice, this carbon in Venice, which same carbon, same sorry, this carbon not this hydrogen is Venice, same hydrogen to calculate in art and means these hydrogens are vanished and now then these are calculate which are molecule then same type of uh, hydrogen you are vanished now then calculate numbering one two and three these are s then hydrogen vanish these are s. You are understand, not understand, then you are first of all read now the co-kylase 2 center phosphoric acid in converted to stereogenic also chiral center by replacement one homomorphic ligand homomorphic. These are ligand and homomorphic ligand and a hard is the hydrogen atom by a ligand other another as though present in the molecule. Same the ligand. Some of read now the homomorphic ligand. Homomorphic ligand. This is term of the homomorphic ligand is same and monomorphic means from relationship. The other homomorphic ligand is the same new ligands will lead to corresponding enantiomeric. Then I am some of example. First was one. And dance I am a substitution. And first of all, these are intelligence is considered in solution and what I become the ratio to in stream molecule they are behind consider different ligand center in the molecule or they are different speeds reaction with the rest. I am this topic the end now this then starting from new topic from this position